Hi everybody, welcome back to another Sprint Booster video. On this episode, we're installing a Sprint Booster on this 2006 Audi A8. Sprint Booster is the #1 throttle control module on the market. It's trusted by over 2 million users worldwide. If you want to learn more, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com, check out our wide list of applications, and see which Sprint Booster is right for your machine. Alright, so the first step to install is to leave the door open, take your key fob, put it 10 feet away from your car, then you wait another 10 minutes, that way your CAN bus system can reset. Then we're ready to begin the install. Next up, locate your throttle pedal assembly. Above there, above the plastic covers, you'll see the clip to the harness. Just move the covers aside, access the clip, and unplug that. Next, plug your Sprint Booster in line. Plug your controller into your Sprint Booster, then run it up to your dash. Before you mount your controller on your dash, check on the side that it's in the automatic setting if you have an automatic car like us, or flick it up to the manual setting if you have a manual car. Next, stick it on your dash with the provided adhesive, and then you're good to go. Press the silver button to turn on your Sprint Booster, which gives you access to 36 unique modes, including valet mode, which limits your throttle pedal output to a certain RPM, ensuring nobody can abuse your car when it's not you driving it, which gives you a little bit more security with your Sprint Booster. You also have 9 unique modes in sport mode and another 9 unique modes in race mode to really dial in your throttle pedal feel to what feels the best for you and your car. Well, that's it everybody. Thanks for checking out the Sprint Booster install. If you enjoyed what you saw, give us a like and let us know down in the comments what other cars you want us to install a Sprint Booster on. Thanks, bye now.